If you've ever wished you could take your Spotify music library with you and listen to it on virtually any device, there's a piece of software that promises to make that process incredibly simple. Meet ViWizard Spotify Music Converter, an all-in-one tool designed to download and convert Spotify music into multiple popular audio formats while keeping important track information organized. Whether you're dealing with individual songs, complete playlists, albums, podcasts, artists, or audiobooks, ViWizard puts everything into one straightforward interface. And the best part is that you get a wide range of output options, including MP3, FLAC, WAV, AFF, M4A, and M4B, giving you more flexibility depending on how and where you want to use your audio files. One of the biggest highlights is its focus on maintaining audio quality. Instead of relying on traditional recording methods that can potentially introduce unwanted noise or affect the final quality, ViWizard says it uses advanced music decryption technology to process Spotify content while preserving the original audio quality as much as possible. It also retains important metadata, including information such as the artist, track name, track number, album, and year. Another useful feature is batch conversion. ViWizard claims it can process music at speeds of up to 15 times faster, allowing you to handle multiple tracks at once instead of converting everything individually. The software also gives you control over audio settings. You can choose your preferred output format and adjust parameters such as bitrate, sample rate, and audio channels. You can even automatically organize converted files by artist or album, which can save a lot of time when building a large music archive. There's also a handy filter converted tracks option. Once enabled, ViWizard can identify tracks that have already been processed, helping you avoid accidentally creating duplicate files. And if you listen to podcasts or audiobooks, ViWizard includes a built-in playback speed controller, with options ranging from 0.5 times to 2 times speed, so you can slow content down or speed it up without needing a separate application. There's also a built-in audio player, allowing you to preview your converted tracks directly inside the software, with basic controls for playback, volume, skipping, and speed adjustment. ViWizard is available for both Windows and Mac, and the company says buyers receive lifelong software upgrades, helping maintain compatibility as the software continues to evolve. Now, let's quickly go through how to use ViWizard's Spotify Music Converter. First, click the first link in the description box below and download the ViWizard installer. Once the download is complete, install the application on your computer and launch it. After opening ViWizard, sign in with your Spotify account credentials if prompted. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner and open Preferences. Here you can select your preferred output format, such as MP3, FLAC, WAV, AIFF, or another supported format. You can also customize the available audio quality and file naming settings according to your requirements. Once that's done, return to the main interface and open your Spotify library. Find the song, album, playlist, podcast, or audiobook you want to process, then drag and drop the content into the ViWizard window. Review your selected tracks and confirm the items you want to add to the conversion list. Finally, click the Convert button, and ViWizard will begin processing the selected content according to your chosen settings. And that's pretty much it. In just a few steps, you can manage your selected Spotify content, customize the output format, and organize the resulting audio files in a way that works for your personal listening setup. So, if you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to check out the first link in the description box below.